What is going on YouTube? Hitterback making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, we have seen some very interesting formations continue over the past couple of days, specifically yesterday, confirming a few interesting patterns that we need to help us gauge when and where cryptocurrency is going to be moving to. I'd say by next week, the latest here, but we definitely have some good signs across the board. Surprisingly, did not mean to do that. Just want to pull that up again for you guys. Let me get that back up. Cool. So surprisingly, the stock market, the S&P 500, has managed to break through our white band yet again. This was something we were kind of getting the hint that was going to happen a couple of days ago here as we anticipated kind of higher low patterns here. You can see each time we fell, it was higher than the last. And then recently we weren't seeing that much movement at all, getting closer and closer and closer to the price ceiling here, the white band here, without actually breaking lower than that. And we were also nowhere near overbought. So we figured we'd probably end up breaking through that, which is just weird overall, because typically we don't see that happen at all, if ever, in the many years that we've had the beautiful ascending fractal here. But only recently did we start to break through that, and that was only because we were hitting a bit of resistance here. You can see right off the bat, breaking through this price ceiling right here was only the main cause due to us seeing all the overinflation and all the extra money being added into the market from the government dumping in all the stimulus money, so on and so forth here. So with that in mind, we're starting to see these anomalies here, things that we're not necessarily used to or that we haven't been used to in the past couple of years. And because of that, we're breaking through these resistances much easier than we have in the past. However, we did say in yesterday's video and the previous videos that we're still in a bit of resistance here, and we're probably not going to continue to break through that. And you can see really quick off the bat here that we are seeing this kind of price ceiling where this acts as a bit of resistance, and here we are retesting it yet again. So I'd be very shocked if we ended up going even higher than that, but I do believe strongly that this is going to cause a dip in the market here. However, we're still going to continue to the upside here. Crazy stuff all across the board. We're also looking at XRP, which, as you can see, is forming a new kind of ascending triangle. You can't really see it that much on the daily. We're going to switch over to the 4-hour charts so I can show you a better overview of what exactly is going on in XRP. Then we're going to be looking at Ethereum here, which is also breaking up from its beautiful descending fractal. And then we have Bitcoin here, which is also seeing a beautiful break to the upside in its descending fractal, retesting bottom support here. So lots of things overall to discuss and go over in today's video. With that all being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, as you can see, quickly refreshing the page here, top 10 cryptocurrencies look okay. We're only at 0.35% at 1.15 trillion global crypto market cap. Markets are consolidating for the most part here. As you can see, not really seeing much movement though, honestly, across the board. 24 hours, 0.3, 0.8, 0.1. XRP is 1.5. XRP is really the only thing that's actually exploding, almost up 11%, including Tron and Litecoin here, to the upside over the past week. Actually, Tron just exploded to the upside here. Regardless, I mean, we don't have time to really look at all of these at the moment here, at least on the videos, but, you know, we might consider looking at other cryptos just to switch things up for right now, but I like to stick with the blue chips. Now, what's interesting with XRP is we capitalized off this run for quite some time now. As you guys know, we've been tracking the beautiful bull rally breakout here on this kind of bull flag formation for quite some time now here. You can see dating all the way back a week ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, we've been tracking the beautiful bull flag formation here. I'm just pulling up. You can see here the 11-day descending fractal or bull flag formation here, where we're starting to break through that. Not what I wanted to do. Let's draw this. You can see right here starting to rally up from there to the upside here. We've been tracking this bull flag for a very long time here. Very long time. We confirmed the buying opportunity at 46 cents here, right when we broke through not only the downtrend in the yellow band here, but once we confirm closure above it at 46, that was the buy-in opportunity. You can see history repeating itself. This is not the first time we've seen the bull flag formation. So once we saw the second one forming here, we knew that this was going to lead to a big bullish break to the upside here, which we capitalized on very easily using bid fight, which I'll show you in a second. However, this is a huge opportunity to buy in. You can see once we confirmed closure above here, we knew we were going to be heading higher. Might take a little bit longer, but we were confirmed that an uptrend was indeed definitely due for XRP. And you can see since we've bought in, it's been a huge opportunity. We're up literally 52 cents here. We're up 14% on this trade. This was a conservative, easy trade that we leveraged as well, making it one of the easiest conservative highly profitable trades that we were able to do here on the exchange, or sorry, on XRP. Not only that, we have a confirmed bullish cross right here, which is incredible as well. A confirmed bullish cross right here. Confirmed breakout above this resistance, and we exploded to the upside. This is what I want to talk about in a second with you. But as you can see, we've been using BitFi to trade XRP specifically. BitFi is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BitFi lets you buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, and even take profits here, all on one account, which is awesome. So not only do they have Bitcoin and Ethereum, they offer XRP, which is unique. Unlike a lot of exchanges, BitFi is one of the very few that actually still offers XRP to trade around with, which is why we still use them here. So make sure to check out BitFi. Link is down in the description. It is completely free to sign up. Not only that, but you can even trade around completely risk-free by using their demo account, which is like a trading simulator for cryptocurrency. It gives you 100 grand in Monopoly money to test your skills and get familiar with the exchange itself. And then when you're ready, if you do 9 or 10 profitable trades on the demo account, which doesn't change. Look, the website doesn't change at all when I do this, but you get familiar with the actual account here. And if you're making 10 profitable trades using the demo account, then what's to say that the 11th trade isn't going to be profitable if you decided to use real live cryptocurrency? So make sure to check it out. Link down in the description below. Not only do they have a demo account here, but if you do decide to sign up with the link down in the description, you can earn up to $2,888 by completing the tasks down below. Make sure to check this out. Super easy, very simple to use. One of my favorite exchanges on the markets right now, specifically because we've been using them for over 2 years and they've been nothing but great. So make sure to check them out. Moving forward, now I want to talk about the nitty-gritty on XRP, specifically the fact that we're starting to see an ascending fractal. You don't really notice it now. We are being overbought though, retesting overbought, but zooming into the 4-hour, you can start to see the price ceiling that's now taking place here. Check this out. Drawing this over here, you can see we now have a price ceiling and we have an uptrend here. Now, obviously, nothing is confirmed just yet, but we are starting to notice a new technical indicator forming, which could lead to either a breakdown on XRP, which might be what we're expecting. We're very much so overinflated and stretch. We're quite far away from XRP's moving average on the 4-hour, which to me seems like we're probably going to pull back down to retest it. So you can see here we are creating an uptrend, we are creating a downtrend here. Prices are intertwining, and there's a good chance we might break down from that, retest this moving average, and then rally up higher. That's truly what I think is going to happen. It's something similar happened back here. You could see kind of the same pattern right exactly here that we're having repeating itself at this moment here. Now, we actually broke bullish from it, which is quite surprising here. And it's still a big possibility, although we were able to consolidate all the way back down. We didn't break out till about 57 on the RSI, so we do have a bit lower to go, but you can see with history repeating itself here how coincidental it is that we just broke out from this first bull flag here, caused this kind of symmetrical triangle, and then we broke out even higher. We're doing the same exact thing here on XRP again, so quite interesting, but this is why we like using, the previous indicators as a method to helping us figure out and maybe suggest or infer what's to come in the future, specifically XRP and a few other cryptocurrencies too. But I'm very excited to see where this pans out. We still have an open trade here. We did move stop losses up, and we don't look too bad for the time being. So keep your eyes peeled on XRP. And now as for the other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and we'll wrap things up with the S&P. Beautiful descending fractal, something that we were expecting, anticipating, watching for a long time. Expecting a more bullish reversal out of here. However, we've made it very clear, or I've made it very clear on the channel here, that anything trading inside this ascending fractal is extremely aggressive here, and we don't know for sure where we're going to be moving to, especially inside these channels. It's just so aggressive here. So it's not an easy or conservative trade because of how many times the markets dip below, hang out in the middle, head lower, head back up. It's too difficult to make conservative trades on this. However, there are trades nonetheless to be made here, and they're more moderate or aggressive. You can see most like it's tough. Since we fell down into this, there's a good chance it'll continue lower. However, with us rebounding off moving average, there's also a chance we could head up even higher, which is kind of where we've been at peace with the markets right now. We're kind of figuring that Ethereum and Bitcoin would be heading higher. It's still very aggressive. We did break through this, sideways channel, which is a good sign. And we are heading up higher. And I'm still a believer that we are going to be moving something like this. I really do think. But it is an aggressive trade. However, we are breaking out of this descending fractal here. So I do expect that to happen. We'll see. Who knows at this moment. Now, moving forward from Ethereum, though, very similar outlook on Bitcoin too. Same descending fractal here. A little bit worse, though. But we are still rebounding. We had a little bull trap here, broke through it. This would have been a buying opportunity, an aggressive one, and then we would immediately dip down, potentially getting stopped out. However, we're back down below our symmetrical triangle again, or sideways channel again, which is a big problem zone. We're still waiting to break through that, and I think if we do break through that again, then we will shoot up. So you have to be very patient with this. Very exciting, very interesting. Just keep your eyes peeled, and we'll see what exactly is going to happen. And lastly, looking at the S&P, just incredible. We broke through it yet again. However, we're now inside a channel that we've been in before, and it's acting as a big resistance. You can see the problem zone it's had. So we'll see if we break through it. I don't think we will. I think it's going to allow us, though, to move like this. That's what I'm looking for. And then hopefully, we'll be able to break through it and head up even higher. So that's my goal. That's my theory. It is possible we could break through it and head here. I don't know, but I'd likely think that we are still in an uptrend and we are still looking good for the coming days here. So with that being said, though, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.